In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent a Corvette on Turo in 2025 with a simple step-by-step guide. Renting a car like a Corvette is not only a fantastic way to enjoy a luxurious ride, but also allows you the flexibility without the commitment of ownership. To begin, the first thing you'll need is to create or log into your Turo account. You can do this by visiting Turo.com or opening the Turo app on your mobile device. If you're new to Turo, click on the Sign Up option to create an account. For existing users, select Log In to access your account. As part of the registration or verification process, you will have to verify your email, phone number, and, most importantly, your driver's license. Bear in mind, you must be at least 21 years old to rent a car on Turo, though in some cases, such as for higher-end models like certain Corvettes, you may need to be 25 or older. Once you're all set and logged in, it's time to search for the perfect Corvette for your trip. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Corvette or Chevrolet Corvette. Following that, enter the location where you'd like to pick up the car, which can be a city or even a specific airport, as this can help refine your search. Also, don't forget to input your desired dates for both pickup and drop-off to ensure availability for your trip. After you have filled in all the necessary details, tap the search button to see what options are available. To narrow down the results further, use the various filters available to find exactly what you're looking for. If you have a specific type in mind, select the sports car category under vehicle type. You can adjust the price range to match your budget and decide whether you want options like airport or doorstep delivery. Another helpful filter is the trip type, where you can opt for instant book options or select from All-Star Host for a more reliable experience. Here's a quick tip. Newer Corvette models, such as the C8, generally have higher rental rates, whereas older models, like the 6 or C7, can be more budget-friendly while still offering a great drive. Finally, once you've filtered and found a suitable option, select the Corvette that catches your eye. This step allows you to delve into the finer details of the listing. By tapping on a listing, you can view the photos and descriptions, explore the car's features, like whether it has a convertible top, and check out the automatic or manual transmission options. Reviews and ratings of the host are also insightful for gauging reliability. Don't skip over the mileage limits and specific trip rules outlined by the host. It's crucial to read the guidelines section carefully, as it contains important information on rules that may pertain to fuel, smoking, or mileage limits. And there you have it. Following these steps will set you on the path to enjoying the thrilling experience of renting a Corvette through Turo. Happy driving!